Hello everyone. The context of this video is what I've learned in chapter 16, the accident investigation and recording. So, accident investigation and recording are about understanding why accidents happen and keeping track of them. Firstly, it's crucial to gather information about what happened, like the location, time, and people involved. Then, we need to examine the scene carefully to find clues about what went wrong. This might involve talking to witnesses or using technology like cameras. Once we know what happened, we can figure out why it happened. Maybe someone made a mistake or there was a problem with the equipment. Whatever cause, it's important to learn from it and take steps to prevent similar accidents in the future. Recording accidents help us spot patterns and trends so we can make workplace safer for everyone. By investigating and recording accidents, we can protect people and prevent future harm.